Included with the OGERY leaf blower, it has dual LED lights, includes a front LED for general visibility and a side LED for focused work in dim conditions with adjustable brightness modes, bright, dim, strobe, and flashing.